Hey guys, my name is Francois and we are making a cool sound out of the analog Init Patch. Loaded onto a new MIDI channel, and this is what it sounds like by default. Bring down the filter to something more pleasing. Turn off oscillator 2, so we're only working with the first oscillator of this instrument, and the shape is set to saw wave. And also we want to go into the filter settings and bring the attack time up, so it's a bit more smooth in the beginning. Now bring up the sustain, and let's play a nice chord progression with the sound. We can add in some glide here in analog, so it glides into the chord a bit more. Nice. And we can also add in some vibrato. I'm exaggerating this one. So keep this one around 40 here. And now we can add reverb. Decay time up to maybe 2 seconds here and drive it down a bit. So playing around with the filter, you notice what a nice sound. Okay, let's quickly make a copy of this one and use it as a bass sound. Keeping the lower ones as our bass notes, turning off the reverb on this copy and bringing the whole thing down an octave. So it sounds like this now. I'm also bringing down the filter. And I'm also quickly going to copy over a melody to listen in. A shorter attack time is needed on this analog sound now. Let's bring it back to like 6 milliseconds. And decay time down as well. And bring the sustain down all the way. So now we have a plucky sound. And turn off vibrato and turn off glide here. Instead, we are going to turn on the noise oscillator. And bring the color up to like 5 kilohertz. So really properly hear it. And now we can bring the mix down. Let's bring this down like by 6. We can play around with the filter. Pick up delay here and detach left from right. 4/6 to ping pong. Bring down the feedback and the dry wet. Also take hybrid reverb shimmer plate right behind it. Bring the dry wet down to like 20%. Go to the EQ quickly and bring this one down and bring the blend to the tail. Keep a little bit of the early reflections, but bring the blend to almost all the way up. Okay, let's play everything together. Perk loop. And there we have a song idea just from the analog Init Patch, which just sounds really nice.